Hi, my name is Khanna, and today I'll be recording day in the life of a SIR student assignment. So I guess we'll talk about like the schedule first. So right now it's around like 8 in the morning, and how I plan on structuring it is talking about like what I do during the day, and then probably recording some of like my meetings as well as some of the labs that I'm doing, as well as some of the research I'm doing, and like the behind the scenes for my experiment. And then I'll probably conclude on like what I learned over the day, talk about my journal, and then finish off over there. Thanks. Okay, so right now it's around 8:30 a.m. I'm working on the primary source analysis assignment number 6, and right now I found the primary article that I'm going to be using, which is about vaccines and mRNA acetylation, and sort of like how you can change the structure and like the type of mRNA to have different efficacy of the vaccine using different like base pairs and other parts of that. So yeah, and how it like differs between the type of vaccine, how you can have like different base pairs for different types of vaccines. And these are the sections I finished. I learned about like the keywords, the vocabulary, the area of science, the general part of it, the specific areas, and then talk about like the methods and the steps that they went through during the process of their experiment, as well as the results. And I talked about some of the graphs I saw, and then I finished off with the conclusion, and I then ended with the further research and like what could be done in the future from this article. So right now I'm joining my mentor meeting for today, and yeah, I'll be talking about what I learned and like my progress so far. Okay, so I just finished my Zoom meeting, and now I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day and just kind of like schedule and plan on a calendar what I have going on. Thanks. Okay, so right now it's around 9:15, and I'm having a light snack slash breakfast since I don't really eat breakfast. So I'm having this cookie from yesterday, and then in around like maybe 10 or 20 minutes, I'll head to Lifetime Fitness to get my exercise in for the day, and then I'll probably head home and then meet with my mentor. Thanks. So right now I just got back from Lifetime after working out, and I'm about to call my mentor and discuss with her what I learned through the primary resource article that I just read. And then after that, we'll probably talk about like the experiment and write down all like the preliminary information before actually like getting the results of the experiment. And then, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. We'll mostly talk about like when I'll do the experiment and how we'll gather the results and all like the preliminary information. I'll talk to you after I'm done with that. Alright, so right now it's around like lunchtime, so it's like late afternoon, and right now I'm probably gonna go get lunch. I'm gonna get this good place in Oakbrook called BB Bop, and it's kind of like Chipotle, but it's like Korean food, so I'm gonna try that. And then after that, I'm gonna come home and get all the, and then I'll buy all the materials I need for the experiment, and yeah, they should arrive soon, and then I'll conduct the experiment. Okay, so you just got back from lunch. I had BB Bop, and by the way, if you haven't tried that, the place is so good, so try that. And next I'm gonna buy some of the materials I need. So I'll just show like one example what I'm gonna buy. So I'm gonna buy these petri dishes, and I'm only buying some of them as I'm gonna be doing this like in actual lab, and some of those, and I guess most of the materials will be provided by me, but these are some of them that I'm just gonna bring just in case they don't have them. So yeah, I'm gonna buy this. Thanks. Yeah, so right now it's around 4. That's pretty much my day in the life as a relates to SIR. Probably later I'll like run some errands and other stuff like that, but that's not like related to SIR. Yeah, I think that was like mostly it. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that But thanks.